I love pizza, and Pittsburgh has a lot of great pizza. The annual Good Taste Pittsburgh Pizza Fest this year was at GoDaddy Brewing and Pizza. Every year, Pizza Fest brings together several of Pittsburgh's pizzerias to showcase where we can get great pizza in Pittsburgh. In 2025, Pizza Fest was bigger than ever, with 9 pizzerias making pizza, samples of sausage, beer, live music, and a box folding competition. There are usually early and late sessions of Pizza Fest. I prefer to go early and eat my heart's content of pizza. We are given food tickets to make sure we get a slice from each pizza place and a beverage ticket. I worked my way through all the pizza places in attendance this year, and you can see me eat each slice at the end of the video. Pizza Fest features pizziolos from restaurants like Caliente Pizza, Slice on Broadway, and Pizzerias, who are US and world pizza champions. This year also featured Yellow Bridge Brewing, Italian Village Trattoria, Alta Via Pizza, Large Plain Pizza, Lilulu's Pizza, and Rising Crust Pizza. There were also sausage sandwiches from Greco & Sons, who are suppliers of toppings to many pizza places in Pittsburgh. The pizzerias usually make their pizzas during Pizza Fest using uni ovens or a portable pizza oven. Each pizza place typically features a specialty pizza or one that has gained recognition. Slice on Broadway had just won Best Cheese Slice in the World at the International Pizza Expo and served those. Caliente Pizza, which GoDaddy Brewing is part of, showed off pizzas from their new menu. My favorite pizza of the day at Pizza Fest was from Yellow Bridge Brewing, which made its first appearance at Pizza Fest with a pepperoni, arugula, fresh grated cheese, and hot honey pizza. GoDaddy Brewing also served as a great host this year. They had plenty of space for everyone to spread out, especially in their beer garden, and tasty beverages to enjoy while eating pizza. One of the new additions to Pizza Fest was live entertainment. There was a great duo playing acoustic covers of classic songs. Give them a little listen.
If you want to leave, take good care. I hope you make a lot of nice friends out there. But just remember there's a lot of bad everywhere. Oh, baby, baby, it's a wild world. It's hard to get by just upon a smile. Oh, baby, baby, it's a wild world.
Another great addition this year was the box folding competition. Pizzerias compete in this event at the International Pizza Expo. Perry Bogatz from Caliente Pizza won the World Pizza Games Triathlon, which has a box folding round at the 2025 International Pizza Expo. This competition at Pizza Fest allowed others to try their hand at box folding and to win a prize.
Make sure they're closed. You gotta close your boxes. Make sure they're 100% closed.
He's almost done. He's almost done. You got this! Oh my god! Last one.
All right, Brandon.
Finally, there were pizza acrobatic demos. Matt Hickey of Caliente Pizza won for Best Pizza Acrobatics at the International Pizza Expo in 2025. We didn't get to see his full routine from the Pizza Expo, but he was on hand showing everybody the skills at tossing pizza. Good Taste Pittsburgh Pizza Fest is great every year. I hope to see you there next year. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see more Alex Eats Too Much food and travel content. Now for all the slices I ate that day at Pizza Fest.
Hi, I'm Alex, and this is my first slice of pizza at Pizza Fest. I'm Alex, and this is my second slice of pizza. Oh well. I'm Alex, and this is my third slice of pizza. Alex, and this is my fourth slice of pizza. This is my fifth slice of pizza. Alright, I'm Alex, I'm still at Pizza Fest, and now I'm on my sixth slice of pizza. I'm Alex, and this is my first beer at Pizza Fest. I'm Alex, and this is my first Greco sausage sandwich of Pizza Fest. I'm Alex, and this is my seventh slice of pizza. Hi, I'm Alex, and this is my eighth slice of pizza. I'm Alex, and this is my ninth slice of pizza.